All right. So good evening, everyone. How are you today?
Fine, and you?
Fine, Adri. Thank you. Okay. Well, as I said yesterday, today we're going to start week number 4. Okay, our last week. And the topic for today's lesson is there is and there are. There is and there are. Okay. Put your microphone on mute, please. Okay, thank you. Do you think, Elizabeth, that we use there is for singular or plural? What do you think? Do we use there is for things, plural things? What do you think?
Plural.
There is, okay, and there are for singular.
No. There is singular
The other way around.
and there are is plural.
Exactly, right. We use there is for singular and there are for plural. Exactly. Okay,
Yes.
very good. So this is the topic for today's lesson. Okay, I'm going to show you a video so you can get more familiar with this topic. This topic is really simple. Okay, so let's watch this video. Let me show you the screen. Welcome. Okay. All right. There is or there are in English. Okay. Let me share the computer sound. Okay, here we go.
To English Tonight. In this Welcome to English Tonight. In this video lesson, you will learn when to use there is or there are in English. You will use there is when you are talking about one singular thing. There is one singular thing, and you will use there are when you're talking about more than one or plural.
Okay. So as we said before, there is for singular and there are is for plural. Okay, or more than one.
More than one with there are, and there is singular. Let's look at some examples. There is a dog. So there's one dog. There is a dog. There are 3 dogs. More than one. There are 3 dogs.
Okay. There is a dog. Okay, a dog. There are 3 dogs. Okay, plural, singular. Okay, so what's the meaning of there is or there are? What's the meaning? When do we use there is or when do we use there are? To talk about what?
There is one thing And there are is more the one thing.
Okay. Yes, exactly. So there is, and there are used to talk about existences, something that you can see. All right. And maybe you're going to count the things. Okay. Because basically, this is what we are doing. Okay. We are talking about quantity. Okay. Right here. So based on some existences. So there is a dog, yes, only one picture, okay, of a dog, and there are three dogs, okay, so three pictures of a dog, okay.
There is a soccer ball. One soccer ball. There is a soccer ball. There are two balls, or there are some balls. There are more than one.
Okay, all right. There is a soccer ball, okay, only one. There are two balls, or there are some balls, okay. You use some here if you don't want to specify the number. Okay, it's not necessary to say the number of the nouns, all right? But if you don't want to specify the number, so you say some. There are some balls, okay?
There is a monkey. One monkey. There is a monkey. There are 5 monkeys. Or there are many monkeys.
All right, there are many monkeys. There are 5 monkeys and there is a monkey, only one, okay? So many is used. Many is used for countable things, things that you can count, many, all right? There are many monkeys, all right? So what does many mean? What is the meaning of many?
Algunos o cuántos,
Uh, that's
pocos,
some, Patty.
No,
Muchos.
A lot. Okay, exactly. All right.
aló.
Some, okay, some, so you can distinguish the meaning of these quantifiers. All right, some. Your microphone on mute. Okay, so some, for example, 2 or 3. 2 or 3, let's see, 2 or 3 apples. Okay, some, 2 or 3 apples. Okay, what about many? 8 or 10 apples, but that's many. All right, yes. If let's see, little. What about little?
I'm missing letter L.
Oh yeah. Thank you. Okay. All right, little. Um, for example, $2. That's little, right? Okay, $2. If you have like $2 in your pocket, all right, so you have little money. All right, you have little money. Okay, much. Let's see. All right. $1,000. That's a lot of money. Okay. So some is for countable and uncountable. Countable and uncountable nouns for both. Okay. Many, it's for countable nouns only. Okay. Little is for uncountable nouns. In this case, we're talking about money. Remember that I said before that money, the word money, it's not countable. All right. Is if you specify the dollars, okay, the bills, right? The bills. So yeah, in that case, they're countable. Okay. So much for uncountable as well.
Teacher,
Yes, tell me.
uh, um, when do you use few?
Oh, okay, that's another. Okay, very good question. Thank you, Alberto. Few, yes.
You're welcome.
All right. Few. For example, few, I would say one student. Okay. All right. One student. So few is for countable. Mhm. So in my class, in this English class, I don't have few students. All right. I don't have few students because I don't have one student. I don't have two students. Okay. I have a lot of students. So a lot, okay. For example, 20 students. And this is for countable things. And uncountable. All right. Did you take some notes about this explanation? Yes? Okay, all right, very good. Should I continue? Should I continue? Yes? Okay, all right.
Any. Again, one, there are five monkeys. There are many monkeys. Now let's learn how to ask questions with there is and there are. All you're going to do is switch the word order. So instead of saying there is, you'll say is there? And instead of saying there are, you will say are there? Let's look at some examples. Is there a dog? So is there one dog? Is there a dog? Are there three dogs?
All right.
Why?
So what happens when you form a question using this structure? So what you need first is
Verb to be.
you need the Verb to be, exactly. All right, you need the verb to be plus there plus the noun. Okay. Remember that the verb to be depends on the noun. All right. So you might have is or are. Okay. So, but this is the structure. To be plus there plus noun. Okay. And how can you answer? How can you answer this question? Is there a dog? If it is positive, yes,
Yes, there is.
there is. Exactly. If it is negative, no,
There
there isn't.
isn't.
Okay, there you go. All right. Are there 3 dogs? If it is positive,
Yes, there are.
yes, they are. Okay. There are. Sorry. There are. If it is negative,
No,
No, there are.
no, there aren't.
aren't.
Okay. All right. There you go. Okay, let's continue.
Yes, there are. Is there a soccer ball? Are there 2 balls? Or are there some soccer balls on the field? Again, you're asking if there's more than one if you're using are there. Is there a monkey? Are there 5 monkeys? Or are there many monkeys? Are there many monkeys at the zoo?
Okay. So you have the same structure right here. Is there a monkey? Okay.
There is. Yes, there is a monkey.
Do you hear me?
Yes.
Es que veo algunos que están como congelados. ¿Me escuchan bien?
Sí. Yes.
Yes.
Sí lo escuchamos, pero usted está congelado.
Ah, so it's my internet. Jesus. Okay.
Tiene la pantalla negra.
Se quedó congelado el monkey.
Ya ve que falla el internet. Ya
Hear
ve
me?
que falla.
Do you still hear me? Do you hear me?
Yes.
But are you frozen?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Yo solo veo los monkeys.
Sí, no se mueve.
¿Y ahora?
Solo el mouse está moviendo.
Ya, pero ahora sí ya me ven a mí.
No,
No,
no.
solo los monkeys.
Pantalla negra.
You should now know when to
Hear the
use
video.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, all right.
Yes.
there is, or there are in English. Thank you for watching this video lesson. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Bye-bye.
Okay. Hello.
Está escondido, teacher.
Okay, hold on a second. I'll be right back.
Tiene
Ya
apagada la cámara.
Okay.
Vaya Ana, de la clase. Usted es el operador.
Ah, pues ya terminó la clase.
Vámonos.
Finish.
Finish class. No exam to Friday.
El viernes ya era fallado.
No, como ahora soy yo el teacher, ya les digo, no hay examen. Ya pasaron todos.
Ah, pues apaguemos todas las cámaras.
Okay, I'm here. Do you hear me?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, I
Okay.
do.
All right.
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
Okay. Great.
El viernes yo lo he fallado, teacher.
Hey, Mario. Okay. So, do you have any question about the usage of there is and there are? Or it's clear, no questions?
Teacher,
Hmm?
there is, este es o hay.
I,
Hay, ¿verdad? Thank you.
yes, I. Okay. So you're going to
Teacher,
help me out. Tell me, tell me, tell me.
example, there is 3 dogs. Hay 3 perros. Entonces eso se refiere.
There is or there are, Israel?
There are 3 dogs. Hay 3 perros. Ah, okay.
Yes, there are 3 dogs. Okay,
Thank-
yes, exactly. For example, if I ask you, Mario, um, are there 2 teachers in the class?
No, there ain't.
No,
No.
what?
No, there ain't. Aren't.
Okay, listen to the question, okay?
Okay.
Identify if I am using there is or there are, okay? So, listen, Mario.
Okay.
Are there 2 teachers in the class?
There are.
Yes or
There are.
no?
No. No. No, there are.
There,
No, there
no,
are.
there,
Aren't.
okay,
Aren't.
no, there are.
Aren't.
Right, give me the correct information.
Perdón.
Give me the correct information.
No, there aren't. No.
No, there aren't, okay.
No, there
So,
aren't.
how many teachers are there?
Are there? Hola.
Huh?
Quiero ver. No.
I ask you.
There are.
There are?
There is a one teacher.
Okay, all right.
Okay.
Guys, try to organize your ideas, right? Try to organize your ideas. Are there two
Teachers.
teachers
Two
in the
teachers.
class?
No, there aren't.
No, there aren't. Okay.
Okay. Okay, teacher. Okay.
No, there aren't.
Aren't.
Okay. And then
There
you
is a one teacher.
exactly right. There is
One teacher.
one teacher
There is one teacher in the class.
in the
Or
class.
one teacher.
You need to use the structure. Okay, you need to use the structure. There is one teacher in the class. All right. Okay. One more question. Alberto.
Yes.
Okay. Are there a few, listen to this. Are there a few girls in the class? I don't think so. Are there a few girls in the class? A few, okay. Like 1 or 2 girls, that's few, right? So are there a few girls in the class? Your microphone, Alberto, your microphone.
No, they aren't. there are many girls in the class.
Yes, there are many girls in the class. Okay, exactly. All right, good job. Another question. Ricardo, question for you.
Okay.
Okay. Are there a lot? Okay, a lot is for countable and uncountable, right? So are
Okay.
there a lot of boys in the class?
Yes, there are.
How many boys are there?
I don't
How many boys are there in the
quatro,
class?
four, mm, only four. With you, five. Six
Five.
with you, teacher.
Only six.
Five,
Only six.
six,
Okay.
yes.
All right. So is that a lot or some?
Some.
Okay, exactly, right? So you say, no, there aren't a lot of boys. There are some
A lot of
boys,
boys.
okay?
Some boys.
There are a
Okay.
lot of girls in the class. Yes, more girls
Yes.
than boys. All right. Yes, Elizabeth. Am I wrong? Okay. All
It's
right.
okay. I
All right.
countable. Everybody.
Okay. All right. Good.
Teacher, ¿qué son? Son.
Some.
Ajá.
Okay. Algunos. Some.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
Okay. There is and there are. We're going to complete the first exercise. Well, before we go over this exercise, I want you to focus on this picture. Can you see the picture? This picture.
Yes, teacher.
All right.
Yes, I do.
Yes.
Yes.
Right. Okay, focus on this picture. Elizabeth, please give me a sentence. Give me a sentence, Elizabeth. Using there is or there are.
A mi papá pregunta que estoy ocupado.
Okay, Elizabeth, give me a sentence.
Yes.
Look at the picture and give me a
Okay.
sentence. A sentence using there is or there are.
The first is there is a, and I can see,
Teacher, no se ve la
yes,
pregunta.
I can see
Oh,
very well.
you can see the
No.
picture.
The picture, yes, but the sentence, no. Sentence, no.
No. Okay, you're going to give me the sentence, Elizabeth. Look at the picture. Look at the picture and you're going to give me the sentence.
Okay.
Right.
There is a t-shirt.
There is a t-shirt. A t-shirt where? Where is the t-shirt, Elizabeth?
On bed.
On the bed. Okay.
On
All
the
right.
bed.
All right. Very good. Nelly, continue. You cannot repeat. You cannot repeat the item. Okay. You cannot repeat the item.
There are a lot of books.
Okay. There are a lot of books. All right. Hold on a second. Okay.
There are lo-
Okay, hold on a second, please, Nelly. I'm having an issue right here. Okay, hold on a second, because I cannot change the color of it. Okay, do you see the picture? Yes?
Yes, I do.
Yes.
Okay, all right. Well, okay, let's continue. Right, I couldn't do it. All right, Elizabeth, you said that there's a t-shirt on the bed, okay? All right,
Yes.
okay, all right. Mario, please continue.
Mm, they are
Mhm.
two, no logro ver la parte que sigue después de tú. They
There are
are
two what?
two books. ¿Cómo que se nos-
There are
They
two
are
books.
books
There are
on
only two books.
the
Oh, are
floor.
you talking about these ones? Oh, on the floor.
On the floor.
There are two books on the floor.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, all right. Ricardo, please continue.
There is a laptop on the floor.
There is a laptop on the floor, Alberto.
There are two pillows on the room.
There are two pillows
Pillows
where?
in the room.
On the floor.
There is a pillow on the bed and there is a pillow on the floor.
And what's this? Is this a pillow?
Now
I
it's fries.
snack.
All right, yeah, okay, it's a bag, right? So, all right, so there is a pillow on the floor, you said, Alberto.
Yes.
Okay, all right, yes, very good. Continue, please, Giovanni. Giovanni?
Okay. There is a t-shirt on the bed.
Okay, yes, it's repeated because Elizabeth talked about this item. Okay, so continue. Another.
There is a scarf on the floor.
There is a scarf on the floor. Yes. Okay, we have the scarf right here. There is a scarf on the floor. Israel. Israel, your microphone. Activate your microphone, please.
There are two lamps in your bedroom.
There are two lamps in the bedroom. One and the other. Ah, this one.
Okay.
Okay, all right, good job. All right. Okay, Patty. Patty?
Yes.
Okay.
Es que se queda como no veo la pantalla.
Oh, you don't. Why? ¿Y los demás sí pueden ver la pantalla?
Sí, yo sí.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, well, okay. Anyways, Patty, try to
Okay,
fix
okay,
the
ya lo vi.
problem. Okay, Anna? Anna?
There are many mirrors in the world.
There are many mirrors on the wall. Okay.
On the
Yes. All right.
wall. There are
Four.
many mirrors on the wall.
Many mirrors.
Many.
Okay. Yes. Many mirrors on the wall. Okay. Very good. Lorena?
Sí, teacher.
Okay. Are there, Lorena, are there a lot of books or a few books in the bathroom? Are there a lot of books or a few books?
A lores, ¿cómo se dice? A lot
A lot of books.
of books.
Okay, yes, there are a lot of books. Okay. In the bedroom. Okay. Adri, please continue.
There is a cell phone on the table.
There is a cell phone on the table. Yes. Okay. Catherine? Catherine?
There is a bed on the bedroom.
There is a bed.
Yes, on the bedroom.
Okay, there is a bed in the bedroom. Okay.
Okay.
All right. What about the paper, says he? What about the paper?
There are some paper on the floor.
Some paper on the floor. Okay, very good. Okay. All right, now Patty, can you see the picture?
Yes,
No.
teacher.
Okay,
Yes.
all right, good. So Patty, give me your own sentence.
Mhm.
What about this book? Patty, what about this book? I think it's a book or not book.
This is a book.
Okay.
It's notebook.
It's a notebook. It's a notebook. So Patty?
This is a notebook.
Okay, but use the structure, Patty. There is or there are?
There is a workbook.
Oh, okay, there is a workbook. Where?
Workbook in the table. No, on the floor.
It's not on the table. No, it's not on the floor, Patty. This one?
In the bed.
All right, on the bed. Okay,
On the bed.
on the bed. Yes, on the bed. Okay, all right, very good. Okay, so now you're going to work on this exercise. Okay, let me help you. I'm going to create a small break room so you can discuss with your partners. But let me help you with some. Okay, a teacher on the bed. There is or there are?
There is.
There
There
is.
is. There
There
is.
is.
There is. Okay, two books on the floor.
There
There
are.
are.
There
There
are.
are.
There are.
Okay, all right. One more. A scarf on the floor.
There is.
There
There is.
is.
There
Okay.
is.
So go to Schoology, please. Go to Schoology. Click on week number 4. Click on week number 4. And then you click on extra practice. Then you click on extra practice. And then you click on the first link. There is and there are.
Week 4.
Week number 4, Israel, then extra practice.
Okay.
And then the first link, Israel. There is or there are. Okay.
Thanks, teacher.
Okay. All right. You're welcome.
There are. There are. There is. Are they?
Okay. Join the room, please. Join the room. Milagro.
Hola, teacher.
Hola, Milagro. Estamos trabajando en una guía que está dentro de la carpeta Extra Practice.
Ajá.
Semana 4.
Ahorita veo. ¿Cómo se llama la carpeta?
Extra Practice. Week number 4. Y luego da clic en Extra Practice.
Ajá.
Es el primer enlace que aparece. There is, there are.
There are. Ok.
Yes. Ahorita la voy a unir a un grupo.
Ok, gracias.
Ok.
Sí. Ajá.
I back. Teacher. So my last name.
Ujú. Ah, solo-
Yo sé
no,
que los apellidos no se traducen, ¿verdad? Pero entonces no sería few blood, sino little blood. Porque no se puede contar, ¿verdad? Solo es poca sangre.
sí.
Entonces no sería few porque no es contable, ¿sí, verdad?
Me imagino que parece el mundo. Entonces ella lo que agrega es como un formulario, una ficha, ahí pone tus datos y dice que
Una vez tuvimos esa discusión con un hermano porque él decía que sería few blood y yo le decía, no, es little blood.
No, actually, you don't translate proper names or last names.
No, incluso la Real Academia permite que hablemos los nombres de otros idiomas de acuerdo a cómo los leemos, ¿verdad? Entonces Schwarzenegger sería suéter negro. Nada, dejémoslo ahí.
Yeah. Okay. So you finished, right? Did you get 10? Did you get 10? Or how much you get? Hey, I'm talking to you.
Los limones y la cebolla salieron mal.
Ah, okay. But
Los
it's not my
lemon-
fault.
Es que no eran limones, no eran limones.
Eran papas. A saber qué.
Es que eran amarillos, eran limones.
Yo verde lo vi.
Yo lo veo
No,
blanco.
amarillos.
Nosotros pusimos que eran limones y no salió malo.
No, pero bueno, a Ricardo le salió 10 de 10 y a mí me salió 9 de 10. Y justo eso.
The tomato.
Okay, let's see. 4 pictures on the wall. There are, right?
They are.
Many books on the shelf.
They are también.
There are.
There are. Okay. These are shelves.
They
You know what?
There is.
Do you know the meaning of shelves?
Repisa.
Yeah. Okay. But don't stain my stream, please.
Okay. On the shelves. Shelves?
All right. Yes. A book on the bed.
There is.
A laptop on the floor.
There is.
There is.
There is.
Some papers on the floor.
Teacher,
There are.
teacher floor es suelo. ¿verdad?
Yes.
There are.
There are.
There are.
There are.
There are.
Okay. All right. So are there any eggs in the fridge?
There are.
Yes, they
Yes,
are.
they are.
Yes. There are. There are.
There are.
Okay. Are there any onions in the fridge?
No,
there
they aren't.
No, there aren't.
Entonces ahora se le van a dar.
Okay. Is there any lettuce?
Huh?
Lettuce is
No,
the
No,
abbreviation.
there isn't.
No, there isn't.
No. There.
Listen.
Okay. Remember, lettuce. Lettuce is the right pronunciation.
Lettuce.
Let us.
Let us.
Let us.
Let us.
Let us.
Yes.
Let us.
Let us.
Let us.
Yeah, let us.
Let us.
Let us.
Let us.
Es como cuando se dice lera, lera, lera.
Oh, yeah, something like that. Okay, is there any milk in the fridge?
Yes, there is.
Yes, there is.
Yes, there is.
Okay. Are there bananas in the fridge?
Yes,
There are.
there are.
Yes, there are. Okay. Is there a cake in the fridge?
Yes, there
There
is.
is.
Yes, there is.
Are there any lemons in the fridge?
No, there
Yes.
aren't.
Yes, there are.
No,
Are there
Yes.
bananas
no,
in the fridge?
no, there aren't.
Oh, there aren't. Is there any pizza in the fridge?
No, there
There
isn't.
isn't.
No, there isn't.
Are there?
Okay. No, there isn't. All right. Okay. So listen to this. And you tell me if this statement is true or false.
There are 2 windows in the classroom.
There are 2 windows in the classroom.
False.
Okay, true or false?
False. False.
How many? How many are there?
Three windows.
3 windows.
There are 3 windows.
Okay, so this is false. Okay.
False.
There are 3 tables in the classroom.
True.
What did you hear?
3 tables.
Noemi?
True.
3 tables.
3
in the
tables.
classroom. Okay.
Yes.
There are 3 tables in the classroom.
True or false?
True.
True.
Okay.
True.
There is a ball on the floor.
True.
Mhm. There is a ball on the floor.
True.
True.
Okay, true.
There are 13 chairs in the classroom.
False.
There are 13 chairs in the classroom.
False.
False.
What did you hear?
Nine
What did you
niños.
hear?
12.
12 chairs.
12.
12.
12.
12.
No, but the Spanish?
There are 13 chairs in the classroom.
13.
False.
13.
There are 15
13.
chairs in the classroom.
Okay, and how many are there?
12.
12.
12. Okay.
There are 5 children in the classroom.
False.
Okay. How many children are there in the classroom?
False.
There isn't many children.
There aren't any children.
Okay.
Okay, there aren't, because children is plural. There aren't any.
There
All right, so it's false.
false.
There is a computer in the classroom.
Mhm.
True.
True. What did you hear?
One computer.
Okay, 1 computer in the classroom.
There is a picture on the wall.
False.
Picture
True.
on the wall.
True. True.
Eh,
Es true.
false.
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 Here in the wall.
Ah, sí, sí, sí. False.
False. No hay, no picture.
Es cierto, es cierto.
There is a picture
Okay,
on the
no
wall.
pictures in the classroom. No pictures in the classroom.
No picture.
No picture.
No.
Okay. All right, so false.
False. Falta la
Falta
última.
una.
Falta una, teacher.
Okay, What? I got 10 out of 10.
There are 2 biscuits on a table.
Oh, biscuit. What's that?
True.
True.
Okay, wait, what is the meaning of biscuit?
Figures a table on the table.
Okay,
Cookies.
what is- Cookies. All right. Okay, so
There are 2 biscuits on a
2
table.
biscuits on the table. Okay, that's true.
Correct.
I cannot check it out because I already checked my answers. But this is true. Okay. All right. So the right pronunciation is not biscuit. All right. I have heard that some people say biscuit. All right. Even if you go to a restaurant, there are some people who say biscuit. All right. But actually the pronunciation is biscuit. Repeat, biscuit.
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 ¿Y qué es?
Biscuit.
Biscuit.
¿Y qué es, teacher?
Cookies.
Galletas.
Cookies. Yes. Biscuit. Okay. So questions about this? No questions?
No questions. No.
Okay. So what you're gonna do right now is this. Okay, I want you to work in groups of 3. Yeah, 3. And you're going to prepare a conversation. Okay, you're gonna prepare a conversation. But the conversation is about shopping. So let's pretend that you're going to, let me write down the scenario. So the scenario is the following. Okay, so you're going to prepare a dinner. Okay, this is gonna be the scenario. Of course, you're not going to explain how you're going to make the dinner. No, this is the scenario. You're going to prepare a dinner. So the event may vary. Like for example, it might be a birthday. It might be for a birthday. Party, right? Might be a family dinner. Okay. All right. It might be, I don't know, Christmas. Okay. All right. So the event may vary. Okay. It's your own option, but you're going to prepare a dinner. Okay. And the conversation is this. You are going to make a list of what you need to buy. You're gonna make a list of what you need to buy at the supermarket. Okay, so see what you okay, so see what you have in the fridge. See what you have in the fridge and talk about what you need to buy. Okay. For example, all right, for example, hey Anna, are you ready? Are we ready? Okay. Are we ready for Carlos' birthday party? Carlos, okay, it's just an example, right? Carlos' birthday party. Okay. All right, and then another person continues, right? Hey Anna, are we ready for Carlos' birthday party? No, we are not. We need to buy some things. Okay. What do we need? Is there um a cake? Excuse me. Is there a cake in the fridge?
Salud.
Right? No, there isn't. Okay. All right, and then you continue like that, right? Until you finish the conversation. Okay, remember, this is a scenario. You're going to prepare a dinner. So you're going to say what you're going to celebrate, right? If it is a birthday, if it is a family dinner, if it is for Christmas, okay. All right, you decide. So, but this is what you need to do, all right? So you need to prepare a conversation, okay? You need to use the structure in the conversation, right? As you can see, right? Hey, Anna, are we ready for Carlos' birthday party? No, we're not. We need to buy some things. What do we need? Is there a cake in the fridge? No, there isn't, right? And then another, the other person says, okay, so we need to buy a cake, all right? All right, and then you continue like that. Is this clear?
Clear.
Okay, all right. If you do not finish the conversation today, because we still have only 30 minutes, okay, I think that in 20 minutes you can finish this. But if you do not finish, you're going to present your conversation tomorrow, okay? If you do not finish today, don't worry, you're going to present the conversation tomorrow, okay?
Okay.
All right.
escucho nada.
Remember that tomorrow you're going to present the conversation, okay? So get ready for tomorrow. Okay, let's go over the attendance. Okay, Ana Ruth Argueta,
Present.
Catherine Castillo, Rosa Cerros,
Present.
Walter Domínguez,
Present.
Giovanni Enriquez,
Present.
Nelly Hernández,
Present.
María Milagro,
Problemas con internet.
Milagro.
Creo que tuve problemas con internet. Y yo que no se podía
Okay.
conectar. Que le
All
daba.
right. Mario José Rodas, Norma Morales,
Present.
Ricardo Peña,
Present.
Ada Pérez,
Present.
Alberto Pocasangre,
Present.
Israel Lozano,
Present, teacher.
okay. Natalia Ramírez,
Present.
Patricia del Carmen,
Present, teacher.
Ariana Sánchez,
Present.
Yani Sánchez,
Present.
Noemí Solano,
Present.
Joaquín Stanley, okay. All right. Okay, well, this is it for our today's lesson. Have a great night. Tomorrow I'm going to give you the topics for the exam, okay? Tomorrow I'm going to give you the topics for the exam. Okay, but you study, okay? You study because I'm going to include the third week and week number 4. So this topic is gonna be included.
Okay.
Okay, all right?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, okay, teacher.
Thanks.
Okay.
See you tomorrow.
Good night.
See you tomorrow.
See you.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night, teacher.
Good night.